Okay, everyone, here is another set of problems for first semester IM3. Here we go. So on this problem 5, now we're starting to get into just understanding basic function notation. Okay, so, and also remember, f of x is just another fancy name for y. A lot of you guys obviously are used to just x and y's. Well, f of x is y. And if they ask f of 4, well, what they're saying is I'm going to plug 4 in for the x, and what I get out after I put 4 in here is the y result. So long story short, I'm going to plug in the 4. I plugged in the 4 for x right there, notice. Following PEMDAS, we know we're going to do the exponent first. 4 squared is 16, times 2 is 32. We then minus 10. And we get 22. On the next one, as you can see right here, they gave us a simple question. We have multiple graphs, as you can see, but only one of them has this point, f of 3 equals 1. So the key thing to remember is when they say f of 3 equals 1, what they mean is x is 3, y is 1. So we're just looking for 0.31. So we could just go right in order. 3, 1 would be right there. If you look at graph C here, 3, 1 would be right there. Close, but no cigar. If we look at B, 3, 1 is right there. No good. Hopefully D works, right? 3, 1 is right there. 3, 1, or f of 3 equal to 1 is a point on that graph. So that's why we would choose D. Okay, on this one here, they're basically asking us to match a graph with a given function. And as I've taught you over and over again, there's other neat little shortcuts or tricks, but the key thing I always want to remind you guys, just make a nice little table. And because it's multiple choice, let's just use 2 good points. So where do we start out with? We just don't want to guess any point per se. How about we always remember whatever makes it 0 is where we start. Does everyone agree negative 4 plus 4 is 0? So we're going to use negative 4. Now just pick another point that's close by. How about negative 3? All right, and see how that works. And if we want to, we also could do negative 2. But let's just use these 2 points. Okay, starting with negative 4, we're going to put it right in there. And negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 0 cubed. I better show my work over here just in case. So I plugged in the negative 4. We know that's a 0. 0 cubed is still 0. Plus 1 is 1. Let's just do one more just to make sure. We're going to plug in the negative 3, right? So we have negative 3 plus 4 cubed plus 1. Negative 3 plus 4, sorry, is 1. Cubed is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I'm just going to go to my graphs and find which is the only one that has those 2 points. Sometimes all you really need is the 1 point there as well. But let's find out. If we go to negative 4, 1, ooh, right there, that works. If we go to negative 3, 2, uh-oh, A is no good. Let's try C. Oh, I actually made a series. I did 4, 1. Sorry. So A is not even close, guys, because negative 4, 1 is there. Sorry about that. Negative 3, 2 is right there. By the way, that's a very common mistake even pros can make, right? Be careful of your signs. So A is definitely not even close. Now let's go to C here. Negative 4, 1 is right there. And negative 3, 2 is right there. You know what? I'm going to pick C. Now, if I have time, I'm going to quickly check B and D just to double make sure. Here we go. So negative 4, 1's over here. No good, right? Negative 4, 1's right there. No good. The obvious choice now is C. All right. Let's see what else we got here. Very infamous question. Guys, if they already give you the graph, and they ask for the solution, just look for where they cross each other, because remember, wherever they intersect, that's their solution, where they're the same. Okay, So if I looked at this point right here, for example, let me count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that point is 8, 9. The other point over here looks like I have to guess a little bit. It's between -1 and -2. So let's say -1.7 if I had to do it. It looks like it's a little bit below +2. So I'd say maybe 1.9. Now let's look at our choices. What do you know? They have 8, 9. Is 5, 0 one of them? No. Is 0, 3 or 2, -3? No. 1 must be the answer, right? What I just demonstrated, by the way, if you didn't realize, is always get in a habit of checking all your answers, time permitting. Just to double make sure that you got it right. All right, let's squeeze in, I think, one more. No, you know what? I think that's it for this video, guys. So, again, this is a series of videos that I hope you're going to watch over the next several weeks. We have about 3 months now, right? 4 months till the challenge exam. So hopefully you'll do that. And remember, for most of you, maybe you do notes and watch these for extra credit. I'll see you in class.